year starts in June. Yes, okay, good. That's one for some. The US.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm excited to introduce a tool that can change the way we teach, especially for language teachers. And this is the HKMLC 55-inch 4K smartboard. And it is much more than a simple whiteboard. It is a fully interactive Android-powered teaching tool that lets you write, annotate like traditional whiteboard, mirror and share content from any device. Install your favorite teaching apps like Kahoot, Quizlet, and Google Classroom. Record lessons directly on the board. Engage students like never before, whether you teach English, French, Spanish, Mandarin. This smartboard brings lesson to life. Let's dive in. Yes, you can see that I'm sitting right now because I fixed my board against the wall quite very low because I want my students to use it. And I'm quite a tall guy. If I stand up, for me, if I want to use the board, just have it sit down and we'll be fine. And you will see my students playing a game later in the video, so stay tuned. So first, let's talk about the build. The HKMLC smartboard is solid and well built, designed for durability. In the box, you get a wall mount for permanent installation, a rolling stand optional for flexibility, two magnetic styluses that attach directly on the board. And you can put one in the back. Isn't that awesome? A long power cable, 4 built-in Wi-Fi antennas for wireless functionality. Yeah, I got one in the back, don't worry, I know how to count. There's a remote control and a guide if you get lost. This smart board runs on Android 11, meaning you can install any app from the Google Play Store. That is a huge advantage for teachers. Since I'm in China, accessing apps like Google and other services requires a VPN. I installed my VPN directly on the smart board, but unfortunately, it wasn't working as expected. It was not a big deal though, because I can simply connect my laptop to the board and mirror everything seamlessly. If you have the right cord for the touch plugin, you'll have full functionality and a smooth experience. I'll show you my setup later so you can see how it all comes together. And you can also open multiple apps at the same time with the split screen feature. Now, let's explore the built-in whiteboard, one of the most useful features for teachers. Key features including handwriting, and stylus support for natural writing experience. Annotation tools to highlight key grammar points.
What is that? Do you mind? When it's the present, say,
Shapes and templates for web charts, settings, structures, and more. Let's record this whiteboard session so students can watch it later. One of the best features is built-in screen recording. If you are doing a pronunciation drill or explaining a complex grammar rule, you can record your lesson and share it with students for review. Once the recording is done, you can save it to USB or cloud storage, share it via Google Drive or email. Let students scan a QR code to download it instantly. This is perfect for students who miss class or need extra practice. Another fantastic feature is screen mirroring. You can mirror your laptop, Mac or Windows, tablet, iPad or Android, and smartphone. Now students can watch, listen, and interact with content on the big screen. Perfect for group discussions and listening exercises. The HKMLC Smartboard support multi-touch gestures, meaning multiple students can write on the board at the same time. How does this help language teachers? Group writing exercises, interactive sentence building games, team-based vocabulary challenges. No more waiting in line because everyone can contribute at the same time. Let's check out my students playing with the whiteboard.
The U.S. Good, all right.
Now I'm going to show you my setup. Like I told you before, being in China, I need a VPN to access Google and other apps. And I try installing my VPN directly on the smartboard, but it didn't work. It's not a major issue though, since I can just connect my laptop to the board and use everything without a problem. If you have the right cable for the touch function that I bought for only $5, you'll get the full interactivity. I can go to the browser, use YouTube, or use Kahoot and have a good fun with my students for 100% engagement. So the HKMLC Smartboard worth it for language teachers? Absolutely. Here is why. Interactive and engaging to make lessons more dynamic. Easy to use with a familiar tablet-like interface. Boost collaboration for students' interactions, saves time with lesson recording. What do you think? Would you use this in your classroom? Let me know in the comments. And if you are interested, check out the links in the description down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. As usual, happy teaching! The Smart Board also includes useful classroom management features. The stopwatch and countdown timer for time speaking drills.